मडगांव पुलिशेन शेनवारा शिनकळी वेवसाय करपी रॅकेटाचो पर्दाफाश केलो। जुस्तिना डिसूजा ही मडगांवची थळावी आपल्या बारान हो शिनकळी वेवसाय चलयताली। पुलिशेन सांपळो रचून डिसूजा आनी आसामच्या मोहम्मद रुबीन अलीक ताब्यात घेतल्या। तशेंच पीडित चलयेची सुटका केल्या, अशी माहिती मडगांवचे पीआय कपिल नाईक हांणी दिल्या। RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Mrs. Justina D'Souza is running a prostitution business in her bar and restaurant, which is situated behind Margao Municipal Council in the Salgaonkar Chambers at the basement of the building. So accordingly, we had kept a watch on the said bar and restaurant for last 8 days. And yesterday, that is on 17th March, we raided the said bar and restaurant and managed to nab one person who was in the room which is situated in this bar and restaurant along with a victim girl who was in a compromising position in the room. And in the room we conducted the Panchnama and seized some of the packets of condoms which is attached under Panchnama. And we detained the said person, namely Mohammad Rupin Ali, son of Anwar Ali. He is a native of Assam and presently working in one of the hotels in Bedalbati. Accordingly, we rescued the victim and registered the offence on the owner of the Goa Lodge and Bar restaurant, that is Justina D'Souza, and customer Mohammad Rupin Ali under section 370A(2) of IPC and section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act for trafficking the victim for the purpose of prostitution, for living on the earnings of the prostitution, and for procuring and inducing by taking the victim for the sake of prostitution, and for detaining the victim in the premises where the prostitution is carried on, and for doing the prostitution in the vicinity of public places. Further, our investigation is in progress, and we are supposed to move a letter to SDM for the closure of this said hotel for conducting such type of prostitution activities as per section 18 of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. And in future also we are looking for more such type of cases, and we are in our contact with our sources to book more culprits in this regard.